Okay students, so now in this session we shall solve some of the problems of your JEE Mains. I have selected the problems from your JEE Mains 2018 question papers. So the questions, I have selected the questions from 2018 JEE Mains question paper in the form of your new method, that is 20 plus 5. So all the questions of this session is going to be from your 2018 JEE Mains question paper. Clear? Okay. So first let us see this question. That is, if the curves y square equal to 6x, 9x square plus by square equal to 16 intersect each other at right angles, then value of b is what they are asking. Okay. So there are two curves. If two curves are intersecting at right angle, the slope of tangent of those two curves has to be intersect at right angle. That we all know. So what we shall do, we shall use the property of perpendicular lines. We shall use the property of perpendicular lines. That is, if two lines are perpendicular to each other, product of their slopes is equal to -1. Okay. So first let us find slope of tangent of first curve, that is 2y into dy by dx equal to 6. 2y into dy by dx equal to 6. So that is dy by dx equal to, it will be 3 divided by y1. I will write it as y1 because I will take x1 and y1 be the point of intersection of two lines. Okay. So this is slope of tangent of first equation. Now let us go for the second equation, that is 18x plus 2by into dy by dx equal to 0. Clear? So if you simplify this, it will be dy by dx, that will be equal to minus 9x1 divided by by1. Again, this is at the point of x1 and y1. Clear? Okay, these are the two slopes of tangent of two curves. So from this I can take as m1 into m2 equal to -1, m1 into m2 equal to -1. So that is 3 divided by y1 multiplied with minus 9x1 divided by y1. So that is equal to -1. So as you all know, minus sign will get cancelled. Therefore it will be into b. Okay. So it will be 27x1, that will be equal to by1 square. That will be equal to by1 square. Okay. So for this equation, I will take the help of y square equal to 6x. See, in the place of y1 square, what you can write? You can write 6x. So that will be 27x1 b. In the place of y1, I can write 6x1. So x1 will get cancelled. Therefore, it will be b equal to 27 by 6. 27 by 6. Therefore, this is nothing but 9 by 2. So b will be equal to 9 by 2. So answer is your option A. A very simple problem. We are going to take the help of the property of perpendicular lines. If two lines are perpendicular to each other, product of slope is equal to -1. That is m1 into m2 equal to -1. I will take help of that. So as you all know, if I differentiate it, you will get the slope of tangent of first curve. If you differentiate your second equation, you will get the slope of tangent of the second equation. So by taking dy by dx of both of them, I will convert them to m1 into m2 equal to -1. So if you simplify this, b will be equal to 9 by 2. So the value of b is 9 by 2. Okay students. So now let us move for the next question, that is from your vectors. Clear? So here let vector u be a let u be a vector coplanar with u be a vector coplanar with vectors A and B. That means vector u is coplanar with other two vectors, that is vector A and vector B. If vector u is perpendicular to vector A, if vector u is perpendicular to vector A and vector u dot vector B is equal to 24, then mod vector u square is equal to, they are asking. Okay, please understand the question. There is one vector which is coplanar with other two vectors. There is one vector which is coplanar with other two vectors, and the vector which is coplanar is perpendicular to with one of the vector out of that two, and with other vector if I make dot product it is 24. Then what is magnitude of vector u square, they are asking. Clear? So here see students, if vector u is coplanar with vector A and vector B, I can write it as vector A is equal to x into vector A plus y into vector B. I can write it as vector u equal to x into vector A plus y into vector B, because vector u is coplanar with vector A and vector B. No problem. So what is first case? Vector u is perpendicular with vector A. That means u dot A is equal to 0. So this implies 0 is equal to u dot A. What is A? See here. Okay. U dot A. So that is x into mod of vector A square. If I make u dot A, x into mod of vector A square plus y into vector B dot vector u. Vector B dot vector u. No problem. So vector v dot vector b is 24, that is also no problem. Here mod of vector a square, a dot a will be vector a square. Okay. So now what you are doing, here you are making u dot a. So u dot a means if I make a dot a with this will be mod of a square. U dot a means this will be vector b dot vector a. Vector b dot vector a. Okay. So second case is u dot b is equal to 24. So what this implies? It will imply 24 will be equal to u dot b. What is u dot b? This is u. That means x into a dot b plus u dot b is y into mod of vector b square. So these are the two equations. Clear? So if I write mod of vector a square with this equation, what it will be? See, this is mod of, this is vector a. Now what is mod of vector a square? Square root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 1 square whole square. Clear? So that will be mod of vector a square will be equal to x into 2 square is 4 plus 3 square is 9, 9 plus 4 13 plus 1. So it is 14. Clear? 14x plus y into b dot a or a dot b, no problem, vector a dot vector b. If I make vector a dot vector b, see I cap term is 2, here I cap term is 0, so that term will be 0, no problem. J cap term is 1, there it is 3. K cap term is plus 1, there it is minus 1. So 3 minus 1 will be equal to 2. So that is 14x plus 2y. That is your first equation, that is it will be equal to 0. What about the second equation? 24 will be equal to a dot b is already calculated here. This is nothing but a dot b. That is what? 2x plus y. What is mod of b square? What is mod of b square? Mod of b square is again 2y. Clear? So 2x plus 2y. So if I take this term as common, it will be x plus y will be equal to 12. So call this as equation 1 and call this as equation 2. From that you can find x and y terms. Okay. So if you find x and y terms, before solving x and y terms, I will solve only y. Why I am solving only y, I will explain in few minutes. Clear? So this can be written as 7x plus y equal to 0. This can be written as x plus y equal to 12. I will multiply it with 7. So this will be 84 If I cancel this, it will be minus 6y minus 84. So y will be equal to 14. Y will be equal to 14. So after getting y equal to 14, what they are asking? They are asking magnitude of vector u square. That is nothing but vector u dot vector u. If I am making vector u dot vector u, I am multiplying again this vector with the same vector. I am multiplying the vector with the same vector. A dot a will be what? Sorry, what you are going to have? If I multiply the same vector with u, here you are going to get vector a dot vector u. Vector a dot vector u, because I am taking u dot u. U is x into a vector plus y into b vector. For this vector I am multiplying with u. So that means vector a dot u. Vector a dot u is what? 0. If I find x term, 0 into anything is 0. That's why I am going to find only y term there. That's all. So this term will be 0. Y dot b. That means here you are again multiplying with what? U, because this term is multiplied with v. That means b dot u. B multiplied with vector u. What is b multiplied with vector u? That is 24. So it will be what? 24y. It will be 24y. So 24y means what? Y is equal to 14. So that is 24 into 14. That is nothing but it will be equal to 336. It will be equal to 336. So option B is going to be the correct answer. Clear, students? So it was a very fine and very nice question, but you have to understand. Clear? I am going to write this just because vector u is coplanar with vector a and vector b. I am going to write just this because they have mentioned that vector u is perpendicular to vector a. That's why it is 0. So I am multiplying this vector u with vector a. A dot a will be mod of a square. Here it will be a dot b. No problem. Next, I am writing this because they have mentioned vector u dot vector b equal to 24. I am again calculating your vector u dot vector b. So that's why I am multiplying u with b. A dot b, here mod b into b will be mod of b square. So you calculate that, you will get two equations. You have to simplify those two equations. Directly I will calculate y just because I am calculating u dot u. If I calculate u dot u, this is your vector u. I have to multiply this vector with again u. That means here dot u. U dot a is 0 because both are perpendicular. That is given. Here u dot b, that is equal to 24. I am going to take that is 24. Y. Y term is how much? 14. So therefore 24 into 14 will be 336. Clear, students? So this is what your second question. Okay, students. So now let us move for the next question, that is from limits. Clear? So here what they are asking, for each t belongs to R, for each t belongs to R means real numbers, let this is greatest integer function t, square bracket t means greatest integer function t, lesser than or equal to t, greatest integer function lesser than or equal to t, then limit extending to 0, x times of greatest integer of 1 by x, greatest integer of 2 by x, so on to greatest integer of 15 by x. So very simple question, no problem. Let us simplify this. That is limit extending to 0. This can be written as x, I will write as it is. So greatest integer of 1 by x can be written as 1 by x minus of fractional function of 1 by x. As you all know, greatest integer function 1 by x can be written as 1 by x fractional function minus fractional function of 1 by x plus 2 by x minus fractional function of 2 by x. Clear? Next, so on to plus 15 by x minus fractional function, that is 15 by x. Okay. So now if I simplify this, what you are going to get? Limit extending to 0, x as it is, I will write 1 by x plus 2 by x plus 3 by x plus so on to what? 15 by x. So these terms I am going to take separate. Next, what you are going to have? Minus greatest integer of 1 by x minus greatest integer of 2 by x so on to plus minus greatest integer of 15 by x you are going to write. Clear? So here 1 by x, 1 by x, 1 by x, 1 by x. Until this it is common, no problem. If I multiply this with this term, what you are going to get? 1 plus. If I multiply with this term, 2. If I multiply this term with 3, you are going to get 3 plus so on to what you are going to have? Plus 15 you are going to get. If I multiply this x term with this particular terms, next what you are going to have? Minus, see, this limit extending to 0 I am going to write as it is. So now this x is simplified for this 15 terms. Next x into minus 1 by x, x into minus 2 by x, x into minus 15 by x, they are in the form of fractional, no problem. X into fractional part of 1 by x, x into fractional part of 1 by x. What is the meaning of fractional part? What is the range of fractional part? That is from 0 to 1, closed interval from 0 to 1. Clear? This is the range of fractional part. Limit is going to what? 0. So this 0 multiplied with fractional part of 1 by x, that is the range from 0 to 1. 0 to 1, that is the range of fractional part. Clear? So 0 into that range will be again 0. 0 into again closed interval 0 comma 1, 0. 0 into again closed interval 0 comma 1, again 0. So that all terms will become 0. So this complete thing is going to be 0. This is sum minus 0 if I apply this limit for these terms. Clear? So now if you remain with 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 15, as you all know, formula will be what? N into n plus 1 divided by 2. So that is n plus 1 is 16 divided by 2. 2 into 1, 2 into 8. So it will be 120. 15 into 8 is 120. So your answer will be, it is equal to 120. Clear, students? So here some basic knowledge you must have, that's all. The range of fractional part, the greatest integer can be written in the form of integer minus fractional part, that you must know. If you know that, this thing will be very simple and answer will be equal to 120. Okay. Okay, students. So now let us move for the next question, that is from your 3-dimensional geometry. Clear? So in 3-dimensional geometry, you have to understand the question. If you understand the question, then you can simplify that. Before understanding the question or without understanding the question, you can't solve the problem, and don't try to solve the problem also. Clear? So the question will be a very beautiful story. That story you have to understand. Clear? So what they are asking here, or what they have given here is, let L1 is the intersection of planes 2x minus 2y plus 3z minus 2 equal to 0 and x minus y plus z plus 1 equal to 0. That means there is one line L1, that is the intersection of two planes, and L2 is the line of intersection of other two planes. That two planes are given. Then the distance of the origin from the plane, from the plane containing the lines L1 and L2 is. Very beautiful question. See, there are two lines L1 and L2. Both the lines are the intersection of different two planes. That means there are totally 4 planes. 2 planes intersection line will be one line. Another 2 planes intersection will be the second line. What they are asking, those 2 lines are going to be in one plane, and the distance of that plane where these 2 lines are lying from the origin is what they are asking. Very, very beautiful question. See, students, here there is L1 containing 2 planes. Clear? So this L1 is intersection of these 2 planes. There is another line L2 which is intersection of another 2 planes they are x plus 2y minus z minus 3 equal to 0 and 3x minus plus 2z minus 1 equal to 0. Now these two lines are going to be in different planes. This is the another plane where these two lines are going to be lie. Clear? So what they are asking, what is the distance of this plane from the horizon? They are asking. What is the distance of this plane from the horizon? They are asking. See here. Then the distance of the origin from the plane containing the lines L1 and L2. That means distance of this plane from the horizon containing these two lines L1 and L2. They are asking. Clear, students? So I think you have understood the problem. Now let us move for solving the distance of that plane from the horizon. So you have two planes, that is normal 1 from this normal 2. If I make n1 cross n2, you are going to get the normal vector, that is the intersection line of these two planes. If I make n3 cross n4, again you are going to get another vector which is the intersection of these two planes. Are you getting my point? So here you are going to have two normal vectors, P and Q. P is the cross section of n1 and n2. Q is the cross section of n3 and n4. You are going to get P and Q, which are normal vector to the plane. If I make cross product of those two vectors, so not normal vector to the plane, you are going to get the lines L1 and L2. If I make cross product of those two lines, you are going to get normal vector of the normal vector of this particular plane. Are you getting my point? That means you have to calculate three determinants. First one is n1 cross n2, next one is n3 cross n4, another one is p cross q. Then you are going to get the normal vector to the plane. After getting normal vector to the plane, again you have to calculate one of the point on this plane. Please understand that, because to calculate the equation of plane, you need a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0. If you want to calculate that, if you make cross product of these two, you will get this line. If you make cross product of these two, you will get second line. Next, if you make cross product of L1 and L2, you are going to get normal vector to the plane. That things are going to be the direction ratios of the plane. But you need x1, y1, z1, which is on plane. So to that, what you have to do, you have to calculate any of these two equations. Then you have to calculate x, y, z. You will get x, y, z. Those things are going to be x1, y1, z1. Then you can calculate a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0. A, B, C are known. x1, y1, z1 are known. Use that. Then you can find distance easily. Clear? So first thing, you have to calculate n1 cross n2. Okay. So that is I cap, j cap, k cap. What is n1? So n1 is 2 minus 2, 3. n2 is 1 minus 1, 1. Clear? So if I make determinant of this minus 2 plus 3, it will be 1 I cap. Minus 2 plus 3 will be 1 I cap. Minus j cap into 2 minus 3 minus 1, that is 2 minus 3 minus 1, minus into minus plus j cap. Next, minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 will be 0. So this will be cancelled. So it will be I cap plus j cap. So n1 cross n2 is I cap plus j cap. Next, n2 cross n3 will be equal to again I cap, j cap, k cap. n2 is what? 1, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, 3 minus 1, 2. This will be equal to I cap into 4 minus 1, 3. So that is 3 I cap minus j cap into 2 plus 3, that is 5 j cap, 2 plus 3, that is 5 j cap. Next, minus 1 minus 6, that is minus 7 k cap. 4 plus 1, sorry, 4 minus 1, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, minus 1 minus 6, minus 7 k cap. So n1 cross n2, n2 cross n3. Now you got vector p and this is vector q. If you make cross product of these two, you are going to get the direction ratios of your plane, that is ABC. So now I will remove this and I will solve P cross K, P cross Q. That will be equal to I cap, J cap, K cap. So N1 cross N2 was I cap plus J cap. So that is 1, 1, 0. Next, 3 minus 5 minus 7. Simplify P cross Q. You are going to get normal vector to the plane. So that will be equal to minus 7. This is 0. Minus 7 I cap minus 7 0 plus 7 j cap. Next, minus 5 minus 3 minus 8 k cap. So minus 7 I cap plus 7 j cap minus 8 k cap. Clear? So this is your vector P cross vector Q. These are nothing but the direction ratios. These are nothing but the direction ratios of your plane. So now using these direction ratios of plane, I can calculate the equation of plane A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1. For that, what I will do, I have to calculate x1, y1, z1. For that, I will simplify these two equations. How to simplify that two equations? See here. What I will term as 0, so it will be that term in 0 means y1 term I will take as 0, so that can be find x1 and z1. So 2x plus 3z equal to 2. I will take the second equation, taking y1 term as 0, it will be x plus z equal to minus 1. X plus z equal to minus 1. Clear? So I will simplify this. For that I will multiply this with 2 and I will subtract. It will get cancelled. It will be z. This will be 4. If I subtract this, minus into minus will be plus, z equal to 4. If z equal to 4, 3 into 4 is 12. If I take on this side, it will be 2 minus 10. Sorry, 2 minus 12 minus 10. So x will be minus 5. As you all know, y1 is 0. The term y1 is 0. That we have considered. ABC term you got, x1, y1, z1 you got. After getting all these terms, now you have to calculate distance. See here, that is a into a term is minus 7, x minus x1 plus 5. Next, plus 7 into y minus y1. y1 term is 0, so this will be y minus 8 into z minus z1. z1 is 4, so z plus 4 will be equal to 0. So this is the equation of plane. Now you have to calculate distance from origin. Distance from origin means x, y and z will be 0 because you are calculating distance from origin. So x, y, z will be 0. If these terms are 0, this is going to be completely 0. Minus 7 into 35 will be minus 35. Now you have to calculate, you have calculated the equation of plane. You have got x, y, z terms. Using this all, you have to calculate distance from origin to plane. x1, y1 terms are 0. x1, y1, z1 terms will be 0 because origin 0, 0, 0. That is origin. These terms will be 0. So it will be minus 35 plus 32 divided by square root of a square is 49, b square is 49, c square is 64. You have to simplify this. So this will be 3 divided by 49 plus 49 is 2, 10, 162. Clear? 3 divided by root of, okay, so this will be 3 divided by root 162, so that is 3 divided by 9 root 2. So if you simplify this, 1 by 3 root 2. So 1 by 3 root 2 will be the correct answer. Clear, students? So this is how you have to simplify this question. Actually solution is lengthy, but you can't do anything with these 3-dimensional problems. You have to solve fast, that's all. Clear? So answer is 1 by 3 root 2. Okay students, so now let us move for the next question, that is from definite integrals. Clear? Okay. The value of integration from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sin square x divided by 1 plus 2 to the power of x with respect to dx. Okay, very simple question, but you must know that is king and add rule. King and add rule. So if I apply king and adding rule, it will be 2 integration from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So it will be sin square x dx. Very simple. From I plus I we make 2i. Sorry, it will be not 2, 1 by 2. It will, here you are going to get 2i. If I take one of the 2 this side, I equal to 1 by 2 it will be. So 1 by 2 minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Further, if I simplify this, it will be 1 by 2 into, I can write this as by using the properties 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx. Clear? So here 2 and 2 will get cancelled. If you use formula, it will be 1 by 2 into pi by 2. By integrating, putting the formulas of trigonometry, it will be 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So this will be equal to pi by 4. So very simple question. So your answer will be 1, that is pi by 4. Okay. Okay students. So now let us move for the next question. Clear? Let us see what is the question here. Let g of x equal to cos x square, f of x equal to root x, and alpha comma beta be the roots of the quadratic equation 18x square minus 9 pi x plus pi square equal to 0. Then the area bounded by the curve y equal to GOF, that means g of f of x, and the lines x equal to alpha, x equal to beta, and y equal to 0. Okay. So what is given here? Alpha and beta are the two roots of this quadratic equation. Clear? So now we have to solve the roots of this quadratic equation. You have to calculate what is alpha and what is beta. Next, after getting alpha and beta, what they are asking? Area bounded by the curve g of f of x. Clear? So alpha and beta are the roots of this quadratic equation. Then what is the area bounded by this particular curve at x equal to alpha? Alpha is the root of quadratic equation, beta is the root of quadratic equation, and y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means it is x-axis. Clear? Okay. So first let us solve alpha and beta. See there, it is 18x square minus 6 pi x minus 3 pi x. I can write it minus 9 pi x can be written as minus 6 pi x minus 3 pi x plus pi square equal to 0. So if I simplify this, 6x, 3x minus pi, I will take minus pi as common. So it will be 3x minus pi equal to 0. So x equal to pi by 6 and x equal to pi by 3. X equal to pi by 6 and x equal to pi by 3 will be the two roots. X equal to pi by 6 and x equal to pi by 3 will be the two roots of quadratic equation 18x square minus 9 pi x plus pi square equal to 0. Clear? So these are the nothing but alpha and beta. Okay. This is 30 degree. This is 60 degree. Now let us solve GOF, that is g of f of x. What is g of f of x? See here, g is cos x square. So in the place of x, if I write f of x, it will be cos of f of x square. Cos of f of x square. Clear? So now what is f of x? F of x is root x. F of x is root x. So if I apply root x here, root x square will be x. So that is cos x. So GOF is cos x. That means they need area bounded by cos with pi by 6 to pi by 3 and y equal to 0 means x axis. So what is diagram of cos x? See, this is the diagram of cos x. Clear? So now pi by 6 to pi by 3. I will take this is pi by 6 and I will take this is pi by 3. This area they are asking. Clear, students? So you have to integrate cos x from pi by 6 to pi by 3. If I integrate cos x, what you are going to get? You are going to get sin x from pi by 6 to pi by 3. Pi by 6 to pi by 3. Therefore, so now here you are going to get sin x from pi by 6 to pi by 3. Clear? So if I simplify this, what you are going to get? Sin 60 degree minus sin 30 degree. What is 60 degree? Root 3 by 2. What is sin 30 degree? 1 by 2. So therefore you are going to get root 3 minus 1 divided by 2. That is 1 by 2 into root 3 minus 1. So option B is the correct answer for this particular question. Clear, students? Okay, students. So now let us go for the next question, that is if sum of all solutions of the equation 8 cos x cos pi by 6 plus x cos pi by 6 minus x minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 in 0 comma pi is k pi, then k is equal to, they are asking. Okay, so here there is a trigonometric equation, you have to solve that and you have to find k in the interval 0 comma pi. Clear? Okay, let us simplify this. See, 8 cos x I will write as it is cos a plus b cos a minus b. It can be written as cos a minus cos square b, cos a minus cos square, sin square b minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1. So here what is given? 8 cos x cos a plus b cos a minus b minus 1 by 2 equal to 1, it is given. So it can be written as 8 cos x, so cos square a minus sin square b minus 1 by 2. So now 8 cos x cos square pi by 6. What is cos square 30 degree? Cos square 30 degree is root 3 by 2. If I make square of that, it will be 3 by 4. Clear? Minus sin square can be written as 1 minus cos square x. If I write here, it will be 1 plus cos square x minus 1 by 2 equal to 1. So now if I simplify this, I am going to have 8 cos x cos square x minus 3 by 4 equal to 1. Clear? So now I will multiply these terms. What you are going to have? You are going to have, see here you have 8 cos x cos square x minus 3 by 4. So it will be 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. If I take this 4 cos square x minus 3 cos x, if I take 1 by 4 outside, it will be 2 and this is equal to 1. Clear? So therefore you are going to have 2 times of cos 3x equal to 1. So therefore you are going to get cos 3x equal to 1 by 2. Cos 3x equal to 1 by 2. If I write general equation of this, you are going to get 3x equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. That means 60 degree. Okay. 3x equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. So 3x, if I simplify, x will be equal to what? 2n pi plus or minus pi by 9. 2n pi plus or minus pi by 9 you are going to get for x. So here if I simplify, you are going to get 2n pi by 3 plus or minus. So after getting the x value 2n pi divided by 3 plus or minus pi by 9, you have to see this interval. You need the value of k in the interval of 0 comma pi, closed interval 0 comma pi. So this has to be in the interval of 0 comma pi. So for that what I will do, I will put 1 here. If I put 1, 2 pi by 3 plus or minus pi by 3 you are going to have. If I put 0, you are going to get pi by 9, no problem. If I put 1, you are going to have, for n equal to 1, you are going to have 2 pi by 3 plus or minus x will be equal to 2 pi by 3 plus or minus pi by 9. For n equal to 1, for n equal to 0, you are going to get x equal to pi by 9. X equal to pi by 9. So these two are going to be in the interval of 0 comma pi. So now I have to take the value of, that is k. To find the value of k, what I will do? So for finding the value of k, see here. First one, pi by 9 whenever n equal to 0 plus 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 9 plus 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 9. I am making sum of all those values. So plus pi by 9 minus pi by 9 will be cancelled. This will be 4 pi by 3, pi by 9 plus 4 pi by 3. So LCM will be 9. Here it will be 12. 12 plus 1 will be 13 pi by 9. Clear? So they are asking the value of k in the form of k pi. Clear? They are asking the value of k in the form of k pi. So if I write in the form of k pi, k will be equal to what? 13 by 9. That is option C. Option C is the correct answer. Clear? Okay. Okay students. So next let us move for the next question, that is from local minima and local maxima. Clear? Let f of x equal to x square plus 1 by x square and g of x equal to x minus 1 by x. X belongs to this particular set, that is r minus 1 comma 0 comma 1. If h of x is equal to f of x by g of x, then the local minimum value of h of x is, then the local minimum value of h of x is what they are asking. Clear? So h of x equal to f of x by g of x. F of x is x square plus 1 by x square and g of x is x minus 1 by x. Clear? So if I simplify this, x minus 1 by x whole square minus 2 I can write divided by x minus 1 by x. See this? If I simplify x square plus 1 by x square, 2 minus 2 you are going to get. So I can write here plus 2. Clear? So if I simplify this, you are going to have x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2 divided by x minus 1 by x. I can write this as t square plus 2 divided by t. I will take this term as t. No problem. So t plus 2 by t will be okay. T plus 2 by t will be your f of h of x. Clear? So now if I want to find maxima and minima, I have to differentiate this term. If I differentiate, you are going to have 1 minus 2 by t square. 1 minus 2 by t square. And if I find f dash of x equal to 0 or h dash of x equal to 0, t will be equal to plus or minus root 2. Plus or minus root 2. Therefore, you are going to have two roots, that is plus root 2 and minus root 2. This is plus root 2, this is minus root 2. So here it will be plus, minus and plus. Clear? So therefore from this you can tell that minima exist at root 2. Minima exist at root 2. Therefore minimum value is, that is, from this I can write minimum value is root 2 plus 2 by root 2. Root 2 plus 2 by root 2. So further if you simplify this, it is going to be equal to, how much? 2 plus 2 divided by root 2. 2 plus 2 divided by root 2. So this is 4 by root 2. You can write it as 2 root 2. 4 by root 2 you can write it as 2 root 2. Therefore answer is option A. Clear? Okay students. So next let us move for the next problem, that is from probability. Clear? So let us read this problem carefully and let us understand what is the question here. A bag contains 4 red and 6 black balls. So that means there is a bag with 4 red and 6 black balls. Clear? A ball is drawn at random from the bag. That means a ball is drawn randomly from the bag. A ball is drawn randomly from the bag means one ball can be red, either that ball can be black. One ball is drawn. So what is the probability? Either it can be red or it can be black. Clear? Now its color is observed. That means whenever you are taking away the ball from the bag, the color of that ball is observed, and this ball along with 2 additional balls of the same color are returned. That means they will take the ball from the bag, they will observe the color of that ball, and what they will do, they will return that ball plus 2. Are you getting my point? If there is a red ball, they will add 2 more red balls with these 4 red balls in that bag. That means totally you are going to have 6 red balls and these are 6 black balls. Are you getting my point? First thing, they will take one ball, they will observe the color and they will return the same ball with plus 2 balls. Clear? So here also what will happen? There will be 4 red balls. If it is black, what they will do? They will add plus 2 for that. It means it will be 8 black balls. Clear? Next what they are asking? 2 additional balls of the same color are returned. Clear? Next, to the bag, if now a ball is drawn at random, that means now if the ball is drawn at random from the bag, the probability that drawn ball is red. Clear? So now they will take away one ball from the bag, then what is the probability that the drawn ball is red? Clear? So see here you have 2 cases. First one, if it is red, plus 2 red balls. If it is black, plus 2 black balls. First I will solve this case, next I will solve second case. In the first case, 1 red ball is drawn here while the experiment. 1 red ball is drawn out of how much? 4 red balls. Total how much? 10 red balls. Sorry, 10 total number of balls in the bag. So out of 10, it will be 4 by 10 of this probability. Picking 1 red ball probability. Next, here they will come. Here how many balls? 12 balls. Out of 12 balls, how much they are taking? Red ball they are taking. That means multiplied with 6 divided by 12. Clear? Okay, this is first case. Plus, next, what is the second case? 1 black ball. Out of how much? Total number of balls are 10. Out of that, 6 are black balls. That means 6 by 10. Clear? Next, it will come here. Here, how many total balls? 12 total balls. Out of 12, what they are taking? They are taking red ball. That means it is 4. Clear? So now you have to simplify this. So it will be 4 into 1, 4 into 3, 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 2 into 1, 2 into 5. Clear? Here also same. 4 into 1, 4 into 3, 3 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 2 into 1, 2 into 5. So that is 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is 2 by 5 will be the correct answer. Clear, students? So that is option C. 2 by 5 is correct answer. Okay, students. Now next, let us move for the next problem, that is from triangles. Clear? So here, let orthocenter and centroid of a triangle is A of 3 minus 3 comma 5 and B of 3 comma 3 respectively. If C is circumcenter of this triangle, then the radius of circle having line segment AC as diameter is. Okay. So here you must understand that this is the relation between orthocenter, centroid and circumcenter. So if I take AC as line segment, where A is orthocenter, B is centroid and C is circumcenter, then we know that the line segment is divided in the ratio 2:1. That is what the relation between orthocenter, centroid and circumcenter. Clear? So here orthocenter is minus 3 comma 5, centroid is 3 comma 3. Clear? Circumcenter it is not given, no problem, let us calculate. So now what they are asking? They are asking the radius. They are asking the radius of the circle having line segment AC as diameter. This is the diameter of the circle. Then what is the radius they are asking? Clear? Okay. That means we must know the length of AC. Half of that will be what? Your radius. Clear? So for that, see, I can calculate the distance of AB. How to calculate distance of AB? Square root of x2 y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. So it will be 3 minus 5 square will be how much? 4 plus 3 minus of minus will be plus 3 plus 3 6 whole square. So that is here x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 3 plus 3 6, 6 whole square is 36. So this will be 36. Clear? So y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square is 40. This is nothing but root 40. So how can you write root 40? 8 into 5. Okay. Next, you will get root 40 of this. Root 40 means you can write it as 2 root 10. Root 40 is 2 root 10. So the length of AB is 2 root 10. Clear? So we know that it is in the ratio 2:1. Clear? If this is 2 root 10, this will be how much? Root 10. Clear? So this is in the ratio of 2:1. Clear? That's why 2 root 10 and this will be root 10. Complete length of AC will be how much? 3 root 10. Clear? Now radius, that is nothing but divided by 2. Divided by 2 means how much you are going to have? That is nothing but 3 times of root of 5 by 2. Clear? Because if you take 2 inside the root, it will be root 4. So 10 by root 4. Root of 10 by 4. Root of 10 by 4, if I calculate, 5 by 2. So that is 3 times of root of 5 by 2. So answer will be option D. 3 times of root 5 by 2. Okay. Okay, students. Next, let us go for the next problem, that is from application of derivatives. Clear? If the tangent at 1, 7 to the curve x square equal to y minus 6 touches the circle x square plus y square plus 16x plus 12y plus c equal to 0, the value of c is what they are asking. Clear? That means there is a tangent which is touching this circle at 1, 7. Now, if the tangent at 1, 7 to the curve x square equal to y minus 6 touches this circle, that means the tangent of this particular equation at this point touches this circle. Clear? So then what is the value of this C they are asking? Okay. So first let us calculate the equation of tangent. What will be the equation of tangent? Y minus y1 dy by dx into x minus x1. Clear? So y minus y1 is 7, dy by dx, differentiation of this term, that is slope of tangent. If I differentiate it, 2x equal to dy by dx. So 2x is how much? 2. So 2 times of x minus x1 is 1. x1 is 1. If I simplify this, it will be 2x minus y. This is minus 2. If I take plus 7 on this side, it will be minus 5. Clear? So this is minus 2. If I take minus 7 on this side, it will be plus 7. So 2x minus 5. So 2x minus y plus 5 will be equal to 0. This is equation of tangent. So see, now this is the equation of tangent. This equation of tangent touches the circle. Touches the circle at some point. Clear? So now the equation of circle is given. From this I can write this point is minus 8 comma minus 6. That is the center point of your circle. That is minus 8 comma minus 6. Okay. So now if you want to calculate the radius, this will be the radius. Clear? Or you can calculate the distance of this line from this point. That is also possible. You can calculate radius of the circle. That is also possible. That two relations you have to use. See here. Distance of this line from particular point, that is minus 8 comma minus 6, will be written as, use this equation, 2 into minus 8, it will be minus 16. Minus into minus will be plus 6. And this is plus 5 divided by root of a square plus b square. Root of a square plus b square means 4 plus 1. And this must be equal to what? Radius of the circle. Radius of the circle is minus 8 square 64 minus 6 square 36 plus c. So now you can calculate plus c value. Clear? Minus 16 plus 6 10. Minus 10 plus 5, 5 divided by root 5. So 5 divided by root 5 is how much? Root 5, that is going to be equal to root of 64 plus 36 plus c. So squaring on both sides, this thing will be 100 plus c. So c will be equal to 100 minus 5, that is 95. So option A will be the correct answer, that is 95. Okay. Okay students. So now let us move for the next question, that is, if alpha and beta are in complex number set, alpha comma beta belongs to complex number set, are the distinct roots of equation x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0, then alpha to the power of 101 plus beta to the power of 107 is equal to. Okay, so here what they have given, there are two roots which are in complex number set. That means alpha and beta are the complex numbers. They are the roots of x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. Clear? So now what they are asking, alpha to the power of 101 plus beta to the power of 107 will be equal to what they are asking. Okay. So for that, let us take that equation, x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. So see here, if I put x equal to minus 1 in this, what will happen? Minus 1 square is plus 1. Here you will get plus 1. Here already you have plus 1. That means you will get 3. If I put x equal to minus 1, it will become 3. Are you getting my point? So what logic I will use? My thing is x must not be equal to minus 1 in this particular quadratic equation. So for that reason what I will do? I will multiply x plus 1 on both sides. So what you are going to get? X square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. This much you are going to get if I multiply x plus 1 on both sides because x cannot be equal to minus 1. Clear? So now if I multiply it on both sides and if I simplify this, it will be equal to x cube plus 1 equal to 0. X cube plus 1 equal to 0. You simplify this, it will be x cube plus 1 equal to 0. So if I solve this, x will be equal to minus 1, x will be equal to minus omega, and another x will be equal to minus omega square. Are you getting my point? So these are the three roots. In this, minus omega and minus omega square are the complex numbers. That is nothing but this will be equal to alpha, this will be equal to beta. Clear? So you got the roots, you have the equation, now you have to simplify. So that will be what? Minus omega to the power of 101 plus minus omega to the power of 107. Clear? I will take minus sign common, so it will be minus of omega. See here, 101 can be written as 99 plus 2. That is nothing but 3n plus 2. This can be written in the form of 3n plus 2. So it will be omega square. Are you getting my point? So next, plus, because minus sign is common, here 107. 107 can be also written as 105 plus 2. That is also again 3n plus 2. So 3n plus 2 means, see here, you can write it as, this is omega square. So now, this 107 can be written as 105 plus 2. That means it will be omega square. Already you have square here, so it will be omega to the power of 4. As you all know, omega square plus omega to the power of 4 will be minus 1. So minus into minus will be plus 1. Clear? So plus 1 will be the answer for alpha to the power of 101 plus beta to the power of 107. So that is option D will be the correct answer. Clear, students? It was a very simple problem, but you must know the informations and the basics of complex numbers. Clear? Okay, students. So now let us move to the next question, that is from statistics. Clear? Here what they are asking, if summation of I equal to 1 to 9, xi minus 5 is equal to 9. Summation of I equal to 9 to 9, xi minus 5 whole square equal to 45. That means sigma of 1 to 9 is xi minus 5 equal to 9. Sigma of 1 to 9 is xi minus 5 whole square equal to 49. Clear? 45. Then standard deviation of 9 items is what they are asking. So what is standard? Standard deviation is equal to square root of summation of xi whole square divided by 9 plus that is summation of xi divided by n whole square. Clear? So this is equal to square root of, see here, summation of xi square. Summation of xi square is how much? 45 divided by 9 plus this is xi, summation of xi is 9 divided by 9. Okay, 9 divided by 9 whole square. So this will be equal to square root of 5 minus 1. So square root of 5 minus 1 is 4 and square root of 4 is 2. So therefore answer will be option D. Clear, students? So please remember this formula for standard deviation, that is summation of xi by n minus summation of xi by n whole square. Clear? So this is summation of xi square. Summation of xi square is 45. So I will write that 45 divided by n value is 9. Summation of xi divided by 9 whole square. Summation of xi is how much? 9. So that is 9. N value is 9. 9 by 9 whole square. So this will be 1. 5 minus 1 will be 4. Root of 4 will be 2. So 2 is the correct answer. Clear? Okay, students. Now let us move for the next question, that is the sum of the coefficients of an odd integer terms. Clear? The sum of coefficients of an odd integer terms in the expansion of this particular equation where x is greater than 1 is they are asking. Okay, so you have to calculate the sum of the coefficients of odd integers. No problem. So I will take this equation as, see here, x plus a whole to the power of 5. Next I will write it as x minus a whole to the power of 5. No problem. So now I have to write the sum of the coefficients of odd integers. So I will write there are two terms. So 2 times of first term will be what? 5c naught x to the power of 5. Clear? Next term will be what? This is 5c1, that means x to the power of 4. That we don't need. I need 5c2 x to the power of that is 3 x to the power of 3 a to the power of 2 plus, next I don't need 5c3, I need 5c4. So 5c4 x to the power of 1 a to the power of 4. So I have to calculate this particular term. So therefore 2 times of, see here this is odd term, 5c naught is 5c naught, if you calculate 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 0 factorial, so therefore it is 1 into x to the power of 5, so 1 plus 5c2, if you calculate this you are going to get 5 factorial, this will be 3 factorial, 5 minus 2 will be 3 factorial, this will be 2 factorial, if I cancel 3 factorial and 3 factorial, 4 into 5 divided by 2, so 2 into 1, 2 into 2, so it will be 10 into x to the power of 3. But what is a square? See here, x plus a. A is what? Square root of x minus 1. So square root of x minus 1 square will be what? X cube into x cube minus 1 into what? 10. Clear? Next, plus 5c4 will be how much? 5 factorial. 5 minus 4 is 1 factorial divided by 4 factorial. You cancel 4 factorial and 4 factorial, it will be 5. So 5 multiplied with, this is x, again multiplied with, see, a square is x cube minus 1. Now a to the power of 4. A to the power of 4 means square of this. So it will be x to the power of 6 plus 1 minus 2x cube you are going to have. Clear? So now x cube to the power of x cube is x to the power of 6. So x to the power of 6 I don't need. X cube into minus 1. So x cube you are going to get. So that therefore minus x cube into 10, that will be minus 10. So 2 into 1 minus 10. Next see here, x into x to the power of 6 is x to the power of 7 into 5. So it will be plus 5. X into 1, x. So it will be again plus 5. X into x to the power of 3, x to the power of 4 you are going to get. So x to the power of 4 we don't need. So you close this. Clear? So this will be the summation. Minus 10 and plus 10 will get cancelled. 2 into 1 will be equal to 2. So therefore your answer will be, that is option A. Answer will be 2. Clear? Okay students, so now let us move for the next question, that is from your geometry. Clear? So tangents are drawn to the hyperbola 4x square minus y square equal to 36 at the point P and Q. At the point P and Q, if these tangents intersect at the point 0, 3, if these tangents intersect the point T at 0, 3, then the area of triangle PTQ is what they are asking. First let us draw the hyperbola. Clear? So let us consider this is our hyperbola, that is 4x square minus y square equal to 36. So now there is a point T which is 0, 3 making a tangent to this hyperbola at 2 points, that is P and Q. Clear? So I will join these 2 points P and Q. So it will be a triangle that is PTQ. So now they are asking area of this triangle. See there, tangents are drawn to the hyperbola 4x square minus y square equal to 36 at the point P and Q. That means these are the two tangents at the point P and Q to the hyperbola. If these tangents intersect, if these two tangents intersect at T's of 0, 3, if these two tangents intersect at T of 0, 3, then the area of triangle PTQ they are asking. So area of this triangle they are asking. Clear? So if T equal to 0, equation of PQ will be T equal to 0, because you can see from the diagram that is T equal to 0. So by getting T equal to 0, now I will find y term. I will find y term at this P and Q. How to find y term? See that equation. From that we can take x into x1. x1 is already 0, no problem. Minus y into y1. y1 is how much? 3. So y into 3 equal to 36. Clear? So therefore this will be how much? Y will be equal to minus 12. Y will be equal to how much? Minus 12. So here you are going to get minus 12 as y terms. Okay. So if you know the equation of hyperbola and if you know the notes of hyperbola, you can understand this. Clear? So now this is minus 12, y is minus 12. No problem. Now we shall find x term for this. How to find x term? You know y equal to minus 12. So put there, you can get, that is what your x term. So that is 4x square minus 12 square is 144. So that will be minus 144 equal to 36. Minus 144 equal to 36. So this will be equal to 4x square. 144 plus 36 will be how much? 36, that is 10, 8, 180. So x square will be equal to 180 by 4. X square will be equal to 180 by 4. So that is 4 into 4, 16, 4, 5, 20. So x square equal to 45. If x square equal to 45, x will be equal to plus or minus 3 root 5. Plus or minus 3 root 5. So this term is minus 3 root 5. This term is plus 3 root 5. So minus 3 root 5 comma minus 12. 3 root 5 minus 12. Clear? So now this is your triangle. So using 3 root 5, I can calculate the length of base. That is 3 root 5 plus 3 root 5. 3 root 5 plus 3 root 5 will be how much? 6 root 5. Because to calculate the area of triangle, I need base. So that's why I am calculating the length of base. Now, half into base into height. Height is what? This term. Clear? Here this is how much? 3. Here this is how much? 12. Because right here it is 3. Here it is 12. So 3 plus 12 will be how much? It is 15. Clear? So 2 into 1, 2 into 3 will be cancelled. So 3 into 15 is 45 root 5. So 45 root 5 will be the correct answer for this particular question. That is option B. Clear, students? So therefore 45 root 5 is the correct answer for this particular question. Okay. Okay, students. Next, let us move for the next question, that is from the world of your permutations and combinations. Clear? So here what they are asking you, from 6 different novels and 5 different dictionaries. There are 6 novels, 5 dictionaries, 4 novels, 1 dictionary are to be selected. From this 4 novels, 1 dictionary has to be selected and arranged in a row on a shelf, or arranged in a row on a shelf, so that dictionary is always in the middle. So that the dictionary is always in the middle. The number of such arrangements they are asking. Okay. So they have taken 4 novels from 6, that is 4C6. 6C4. From 6 they have selected 4. Next, from 5 they have selected 1 dictionary. Clear? So this is what your combination. Next there is one more condition, that is one dictionary has to be in the middle. See, this is N1, N2, N3 and N4. So that dictionary D1 is always in the middle. This arrangement they are asking. So this has got 4 choice, this has got 4 choice, sorry, 1 choice, 2, 3 and 4. So this 1, 2, 3 and 4 has to be arranged in how many ways? You can arrange them in how many ways? 4 factorial ways. Clear? So N1, N2, N3 and 4. These N1, N2, N3 and N4 places can be arranged in 4 factorial ways, and this is only one that is fixed, no problem. Clear? So this has got this has got 4 choice, this has got 3 choice, this has got 2 choice, this has got 1 choice. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 4 factorial. This has got only 1 choice, that is 1, no problem. So this will be your answer if you calculate. Clear? So that is 6 factorial means this is 20. Now you got how much? That is 6C4, 5C1, 4 factorial. Clear? 6C4 is 15. 5C1 is how much? If you calculate 5C1, 5 factorial, 1 factorial, 5 minus 1 factorial, 4 factorial, 4 factorial cancel. So it will be 5 into 24. See, let us calculate 5C1. 5 factorial, this is 1 factorial, this is 4 factorial. 4 factorial, 4 factorial cancel, so it will be 5. So therefore this is going to be equal to, calculate 75 into 24, this will be equal to 1800. This will be equal to 1800, that means 1800. Clear? So here, okay, there are 3 options, let us see. Less than 500. So 1800 is not less than 500. Next, at least 750, less than 1000. See, this is not less than 1000. This is also not your answer. At least 1000. That means here there are total 1800 choices. So in that, at least there will be 1000. No problem. So option B will be the correct answer for this particular question. Clear, students? Okay, students. So now let us move for the next question, that is from your determinants. Clear? So here what they are asking, if the equations are given has non-zero solution x comma y comma z, then xz by y square is, okay, as you all know, if the linear equations are having non-zero solutions or non-trivial solutions, the determinant must be equal to 0. Clear? So let us take the determinant is equal to 0 and let us find non-zero solutions. Clear? So that is 1 k 3 3 k minus 2 2 4 and minus 3. I will make it as equal to 0 and I will find the k term. Clear? So for that, 1 into k into 3 minus 3 is, this implies minus 3k. This will be plus 8. Minus k times of minus 9 plus 4. Next, plus 3 times of, that will be 12 minus 2k. 12 minus 2k. Therefore, this is minus 5, no problem. Minus 3k plus 8. This will be minus 5 minus into minus plus 5k plus 36 minus 6k equal to 0. Okay. So minus 3k and minus 3k will be minus 9k. Minus 9k plus 5k will be minus 4k. So this is 36 plus 8. It will be 44. If I take on that side, it will be minus 44. It implies k is equal to 11. Clear? So we got k value as 11. Now I will solve my equation 1 and equation 2, or equation 1 and equation 3. No problem. You can solve any equation. to find xz by y square is. Clear? Okay. So if I put k value as 11, it will be x plus 11y plus 3z equal to 0. Clear? So and the third equation is 2x plus 4y minus 3z equal to 0. Clear? So now see this, it can be written as what? X by y multiplied with z by y. I can write it as x by y multiplied with z by y. So for my simplification, I will take this as a and I will take this as b. That means I have to find the value of a and b. Clear? Okay, here I will divide both the equations by y. If I divide both the equations by y, what you are going to get? X by y 11, z by y. Clear? So that will be what? A plus 3b equal to minus 11. Clear? Next, here a 2a minus 3b equal to minus 4. These things you are going to get. Clear? So now if I add these two terms, I am going to have 3a equal to minus 15 and a will be equal to minus 5. Clear? So after getting a equal to minus 5, put in any equation. If I put a equal to minus 5 here, if I take minus 5 on this side, it will be plus 5. So minus 11 plus 5. Minus 11 plus 5 will be how much? This will be b equal to minus 11 plus 5 divided by 3. So this is 6 minus 6 by 3. So it is minus 2. So b value is minus 2. A value is minus 5. So see here, you need a into b. If I multiply both the terms, I will get plus 10. Clear? So my answer will be plus 10. That is option C. Okay. So answer will be plus 10. Okay students. So now let us go for the next problem, that is from the world of determinants. Clear? So here the determinant is given and they are asking the pair of a comma b. The determinant is given a plus bx x minus a whole square, and pair of a comma b is what they are asking. So let us solve this determinant. So for solving this determinant, what I will do for c1, I will make it as c1 plus c2 plus c3. So it will be 5x minus 4, 5x minus 4, 5x minus 4. Clear? So remaining term 2x, 2x, x minus 4, 2x, 2x, x minus 4. Clear? So next what I will do, I will take 5x minus 4 common, no problem. So after taking 5x minus 4 common, what we can write? I will write 5x minus 4 as common. So remaining terms are 1, 1, 1, 2x, 2x, x minus 4, 2x, 2x, x minus 4. Okay. So after getting this much, see, I have to make as much as terms as 0. For that, I can take R2 minus R1. R2 changes to R2 minus R1, and I can change R3 to R3 minus R1, so that I can get more number of zeros. Here 1 minus 1, this term will be 0. X minus 4 minus 2x. X minus 2x will be minus x minus 4. If I take minus common, x plus 4. Clear? So 2x minus 2x will be 0. Here 1 minus 1 is again 0. 2x minus 2x is 0. Again x minus 4 minus 2x will be minus of x plus 4. Clear? So therefore 5x minus 4, 1, 2x, 2x. This term will be 0. This term will be minus of x plus 4. This term will be 0. 0. This term is again 0. This term will be minus of x plus 4. Clear? So if I simplify this one along this column, this row, so 1 into multiplication of these two terms, that is 5x minus 4 multiplied these two terms x plus 4 whole square. Clear? So now compare these two equations. Clear? So in the place of a, what I have? See, if I compare these two, a will be equal to minus 4. A will be equal to minus 4, and if you compare these two terms, see, bx minus 4, a value is minus 4, no problem. B value is how much? 5. So b value is 5 and a value is minus 4. So the pair will be minus 4 comma 5. So that is your option D. Clear? Minus 4 comma 5 will be the correct answer. Okay. Okay, students. So next, let us move for the questions. The question on sets. Clear? Okay. Two sets A and B are as under. See, A equal to set of order pair A comma B belongs to R cross R such that mod of A minus 5 less than 1 and mod of B minus 5 less than 1. B equal to set of order pair A comma B such that R cross R such that B of A minus 6 whole square plus 9 B minus 5 whole square lesser than or equal to 36. So these are the four options. That is, which of these following is correct they are asking. Okay. So see this equation, that is, I will write it as 4x square plus 9y square lesser than or equal to 36. So if I simplify this, as you all know, you are going to get x square by 9 plus y square by 4 lesser than or equal to 1. So you can see that this is ellipse. Clear? So if I take ellipse like this, here x intercept is 9, that means this is nothing but 3 comma 0, this is nothing but 0 comma 2. Clear? Okay. So this is what your second set, that means the collection of the elements on ellipse. No problem. Now let us go for the first one, that is mod of A minus 5. See, I have taken A minus 6 as x. You have of A minus 5 is lesser than 1. How can you write this? A minus 5 is greater than minus 1, lesser than plus 1. Clear? But see here, I have x as A minus 6. I know that A minus 6 is equal to x. I know that A minus 6 is equal to x. If I want to make this as 5, what I have to do? Make it as plus 1. So A minus 5 is equal to x plus 1. A minus 5 is equal to x plus 1. In the place of A minus 5, what I can write? I can write x plus 1. If I write here x plus 1, it will be x plus 1 is in between minus 1 and plus 1. Minus 1 and plus 1. Further, if you simplify, it will be in between minus 2 and 0. In between minus 2 and 0. Clear? Okay. If you see y is equal to what? B minus 5. Here B minus 5 lesser than 1. B minus 5 is what? Y. So directly I will write y will be in between minus 1 and plus 1. Y will be in between minus 1 and plus 1. Clear? So y is in between minus 1 and plus 1. Y is in between minus 1 and plus 1. X is what? Minus 2 and 0. That is, x is minus 2 minus 2 and 0. That means if x is minus 1, this is minus 2, and it will be with the form of like this. So this is nothing but minus x is minus 2, y is minus 1. See, x is minus 2, y is minus 1. Here y is 1, x is 0. Y is 1, that is plus 1. This is minus 1, y is plus 1, x is 0. Clear? I am making graph of these two terms. X is minus 2, y is minus 1. X is minus 2, x is minus 2, y is minus 1, that is this term. Clear? So you will have this particular rectangle. Clear? So you can see that rectangle is inside the ellipse. Rectangle is inside the ellipse. So that if the rectangle is inside the ellipse, then what you are going to get? It is a subset of ellipse. It is a subset of ellipse. That is, A is an subset of B. Okay, A is an subset of B. That is option C. Clear? Clearly you can see that rectangle is inside the ellipse, so that you can see A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. Okay. Okay, students. So next, let us go for the next problem, that is from your tangents and normals. Clear? So tangent and normal drawn at a point P 16, 16 of parabola y square equal to 16x. Okay, first let us draw that. See, we have parabola, that is y square equal to 16x. Y square equal to 16x. Clear? Next, tangent and normal drawn at the point P of 16, 16. So what I will do? I will draw a tangent at 16, 16. This is a tangent and normal. I will take this is normal, where angle is 90 degree. Where angle is 90 degree. Clear? So this is what? Minus 16, 0. Okay. So now, this is a tangent, this is a normal. We have drawn what they have asked. Okay. So, which intersect the axis of parabola at A and B. Clear? So this is A and this is B. Okay. Respectively, if C is the center of circle through the points P, A and B, that is nothing but the foci of this particular parabola. Clear? See once again, which intersects the axis of parabola A and B. That means tangent and normal intersect the parabola at A and B. No problem. Respectively, if C is the center of the circle through the points P, A, B. That means if I draw a point C, this is nothing but the foci of your parabola. The foci of your parabola. That foci of the parabola will be how much? That is nothing but, see, if you have 16 here, it will be 4, 0. Clear? So foci will be 4, 0. Okay. Next, center of the circle through the points P, A, B. Now foci is over. And angle CPB. Angle CPB means angle C. This point is P and this is B. This is theta. Okay. Then the value of tan theta is what they are asking. Okay, students. Okay. Everything I have drawn here with the explanation. Now, if this is theta, this angle will be how much? This angle will be pi by 2 minus theta. Okay. If this is pi by 2 minus theta, this angle will be also equal to pi by 2 minus theta. Okay. Now you can see that this is the line making an angle with x-axis. That is called what? Slope. Slope is what? Tan theta. Okay. So for that purpose, what I will do, I will write tan of pi by 2 minus theta is equal to how much? Tan of pi by 2 minus theta is equal to how much? Slope of this line. You have 2 points. You can find the slope y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 is 16. x2 minus x1 is 32. Clear? So this will be how much? Cot theta will be equal to 1 by 2. So tan theta will be equal to 2. Simple question. But this geometry part has to be perfect. Clear? So tan theta is how much? 2. That is option C. Clear? Okay, students. Next, let us go for the question of Boolean expression. Clear? That is, one of the logical statement is given and we have to solve it and we have to answer. This is integer type question. Okay. So here what they are asking, negation of P or Q or negation of P and Q. Okay. So for that I have written what are required elements and I have taken the logical statements for P and Q. So now let us solve P or Q. As you all know, in OR, if one of the statement is true, then it will be true. Clear? So see here, true will be what? True. One of the statement is true, no problem, so it will be true. See, one of the statement is true, it will be true. Both are false, it will be false. Clear? Now, okay, this is negation of P or Q. Negation of P or Q. This is P or Q. Negation of this will be what? False, 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 and this is true. Clear? So now this is negation of P. Negation of P will be what? False, false, true, true. Clear? Now, negation of P and Q. In negation of P and Q, if you want to solve, you must know the logic that both are true, then it is true. So this is negation of P. If this is false, then it will be false. See, it is false, so it will be false. See, this is true. This is negation of P. This is true. And Q is true, so it will be true. See, this is true and this is false, so it will be false. Clear? So negation of P and Q. Clear? Because in AND statement, if both are true, then it will be true. Okay. So now what you need? Negation of P or Q or P and Q. Okay. Negation of, this is negation of P or Q, or what they need? Or they need P and Q. That is negation of P and Q. Negation of P and Q. That is what? Negation of P and Q is this statement. Clear? So negation of P or Q or negation of P and Q. Clear? So these two statements. Here it is OR. If one of the statement is true, then it will be true. Both are false, it will be false. Both are false, it will be false. See, one of the statement is true, it will be true. One of the statement is true, so it will be true. Clear? Now, let us see. This statement is equal to what? False, false, true, true. Okay, you can see here false, false, true, true. Clear? So this is nothing but equal to negation of P. Clear? So hence your answer will be negation of P. Okay? So this is how you have to simplify. Okay, students. So now let us see the next question, that is from straight lines. Clear? So a straight line through a fixed point 3, 2 intersects the coordinate axis at distinct points P and Q. Okay. So let us take, this is a straight line passing through the fixed point 3, 2 intersects at 2 points P and Q. Clear? If O is the origin and the rectangle OPRQ, so this is Q and I will take this point is R and this is P. OPRQ is a rectangle is completed, then the locus of R is, that means they are asking this point locus. Okay, so no problem. Let us solve the equation of straight line, so it will be as you all needed. Clear? So I will take R as H comma K. I will take R point as H comma K for my consideration. So you can take X comma Y also, no problem. But for my consideration I am taking H comma K. So this will be what? H comma 0 and this will be what? 0 comma K. Okay. So I will calculate the slope of this particular line. As you all know, slope will be equal at any point to this particular line. So first I will take these 2 points, that is K minus 0 divided by 0 minus P. Next I will take these 2 points, that is 2 minus 0 divided by 3 minus h. Clear? So now I cross multiply and I will simplify. That is 3k minus 3k, this will be minus hk, and this will be equal to minus 2. This is what? K minus 0, 0 minus h. This is h. Clear? So that is 3k minus hk, and this will be minus 2h. If I simplify, 3k plus 2h will be equal to hk. If I divide it by hk, it will be 3h plus 2k equal to 1. So if I simplify, if I take h and k as x, so it will be what? 3x plus 2y equal to 1. Either you write this or you write this. No problem. Your question will be of 3x plus 2y equal to 1. So this will be the locus of R, that is 3x plus 2y equal to 1. Okay. Okay students. Now let us go for the next question, that is from your differential equations. Clear? Okay. Here y equal to y of x be the solution of the differential equation sin x dy by dx plus y cos x equal to 4x. So if I simplify that, I will get dy by dx plus y cot x equal to 4x divided by sin x. Okay. If y of pi by 2 equal to 0, then y of pi by 6 is equal to what they are asking. Okay. So now this value is cot x. If I calculate, this is linear differential equation. If I calculate I of, it will be e to the power of integration of cot x. Integration of cot x is log of sin x. So output will be sin x. So I of will be sin x. Further, if I simplify, y into sin x equal to integration of, here what you are going to get, 4 by sin x multiplied with sin x. Sin x will get cancelled, multiplied with 4x dx plus c. If I integrate this, y of sin x will be equal to 2x square plus c. X square by 2, 2 cancel, so 2x square plus c. Now if I calculate this, y of pi by 2, so this will be 0 equal to 2 times of pi square by 4 plus c. So c will be equal to minus pi square by 2. Minus pi square by 2. Now let us calculate y of pi by 6. So here this will be pi by 6, y of pi by 6. That means sin of pi by 6, sin 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees 1 by 2. So it will be y by 2, that is equal to 2 into pi x square by 2. If I calculate that, it will be x value is what? Pi by 6. Pi square by 36. It will be 2 into pi square by 36 means pi square by 18 you are going to get. C value is minus pi square by 2. LCM is 18. If I simplify y by 2, you will get 9. 1 minus 9 minus 8 minus 8 pi square by 18. If you simplify this, you are going to have y equal to minus 16. 16 means 2 into 8, 9. So that is minus 8 y square by 9 you are going to get. Clear? So minus 8 y square by 9 is your answer. Okay students? Clear? Sorry, it is not y square, this is pi square. Minus 8 pi square, not y square. Y equal to minus 8 pi square by 9. Okay.